Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into a microphone that truly stands out in the professional audio landscape. The Sennheiser MKH 50P48 wired supercardioid condenser studio microphone. This isn't just another mic. It's a meticulously engineered tool designed for those who demand nothing less than pristine audio fidelity. Right off the bat, one of the most compelling aspects of the MKH 50P48 is its innovative RF technology. This isn't just a fancy term. It's a game changer for controlling residual microphone noise. What this means for you, the audio professional, is exceptionally low noise levels, allowing your recordings to shine with unparalleled clarity. But the benefits don't stop there. This RF design also makes the microphone virtually immune to humidity and moisture, a critical advantage for anyone working in varied environments or long sessions where conditions can change. Furthermore, the comparatively low RF voltage across its elements eliminates issues like arcing and DC bias creeping currents, ensuring consistent, reliable performance over time. Beyond its robust internal design, the MKH 50P48 truly excels in its acoustic performance. It features a supercardioid polar pattern, which is specifically tailored for focused sound capture. This microphone boasts exceptional attenuation at the lateral sections of the capsule, meaning it's incredibly effective at minimizing off-axis noise. Whether you're spot capturing a delicate instrument, isolating a vocal track in a busy environment, or ensuring crystal clear dialogue, this mic delivers a focused, crisp, and clean sound, capturing every nuance of the source without unwanted distractions. Its wide frequency response and high sensitivity further underscore its versatility, allowing it to adapt seamlessly to a variety of sound environments and sources, from the subtle to the powerful. Connectivity is straightforward and professional grade, utilizing the industry-standard XLR connector, ensuring compatibility with a broad range of studio and recording equipment. While it's listed for uses like video conferencing, make no mistake, the MKH 50P48's true home is in professional studio recording and sound reinforcement applications. It's crafted by Sennheiser, a brand synonymous with high-quality audio equipment, which speaks volumes about its reliability and durability. For audio professionals seeking to elevate their recording experience with a microphone that offers superior audio quality, precision, and robust performance in challenging conditions, the Sennheiser MKH 50P48 presents itself as an outstanding choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.